This tutorial is the final step to make a jazz collage using Collagraph prints of musical instruments. If you love art, don't forget to subscribe. Now that you're done printing, it's time to use those prints. Lay them out, decide which one you think would be best, and I choose green because it contrasts my warm background. I recommend drawing a line around your instrument to give yourself a guideline of how much you want to cut. You can always cut more, but once it's gone, it's gone. Lay it on your paper and decide if you want to trim it a little bit more. I felt like I had too much green overlapping into my background, so I trim it to make it fit my space. This was such a happy accident. I did not plan on that extra scrap green paper looking like my instrument, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to use it. This is a good point to ask yourself if using multiple prints would work for your artwork. I had 3 prints I liked, I had plenty of space, so I picked the next one I liked. Now it's time to plan your composition. Figure out how your instruments would look nice glued down, and play around with any of your scrap papers that might enhance your art. Here I try to recreate that really nice outline I created with my green. Didn't turn out as planned, but I still think it looks nice next to my green print. It's time to make a decision and commit to gluing. This is one of the only times I'm going to say use a lot of glue. Make sure you go all the way around the edges and fill up as much as you can of the background so that these stick down firm. Make sure you use your hand to press and make sure everything sticks down. I'm not going to use my 3rd print in this work of art. I'm going to hold on to it and save it for a rainy day. The final detail I add to my work of art is a poem by Langston Hughes. I love the connection to the Harlem Renaissance, and I think it's a beautiful poem that connects all the big ideas that we've been learning together. Think about what you can add to your background, whether it's a famous poem or song, or maybe lyrics or a poem that you have written yourself. And think about how you can spread those out throughout your background, almost just like a hidden detail that you have to search for. Check your work, check for small details and areas of white that you could fill in with more collage so that this is your masterpiece. This is one of my all-time favorite artworks to do with students. It has printmaking, collage, songwriting. We learn about the Harlem Renaissance, jazz music. It's an awesome way to tie together visual art, music, and writing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch the other videos on this playlist to teach you how to make this work of art from start to finish.